So she'd been working or running like a runaway engine, but it's only gasoline. That's weird. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I'm Eddie V, and today we're trying to fix my Volvo, and I'm getting closer to actually having it to run properly, but not exactly. So here's how she went, guys. Apparently the firing order was messed up, so I think this is the correct firing order. She starts up now, but she works like a runaway engine, like she's a wide open throttle, what she isn't. And if you go take a look here, not sure if the camera will catch it, but down there, it's kind of hard to see, but the throttle body is open a quarter of the way. So I'm thinking if I take off this linkage right here, this linkage is adjustable. I can loosen her up a bit, and she should be able to work a lot better now. We'll see. So I asked the Volvo group about it, and it still doesn't make any sense what they're trying to tell me. Some people are having very close opinions about what is wrong, and some people are just out of whack. And I can explain why. Here's the pictures. Now, all the suggestions are good and fine, but what I'm mainly concerned about is why did it do this right after the mechanic took these things off? So this problem, guys, happened right after the mechanic took everything off, and he took off the carburetors, the intake manifold, and the exhaust manifold to change this freeze plug. Not sure if you can see it, but this freeze plug right by the oil filter. So we got to go trace back and see what exactly he touched, because at this point the engine is not even adjustable. Like, I can't even tune it properly to how I want it to run. Okay guys, so I shortened the linkage in hopes of seeing if this is what causes the issue here. So here's what's going on, guys. So I was able to adjust this linkage right here, and got it shorter so that it's better, because these idle bolts, this thing was not even touching that to adjust the idle, so there was no way you could adjust the idle. Now I could at least adjust the idle, but I still don't know why it's doing this. Hold on, let me turn it on for you guys. Just listen to this. So it turns off whenever you put on choke right away. I'll give it a whirl for you guys. So here it goes. Choke is on. A little bit hard to start, but it'll start. Come on. That's just weird. Guys, here's how she runs. Got her to start the starting fluid, but look what she does. I mashed the gas. Not the exact response I'm looking for. And then when I do this right here, she chokes. I mean, she dies. So got a lot of work to do. So guys, I'll come back and show you what we're dealing with, but these are the carburetor intake manifolds, and I'm suspecting they're causing a vacuum leak, which causes my engine to run like that. So I ordered new ones from Napa. They're going to come on the 27th, so hopefully we'll be able to get going and get them replaced soon. Basically, guys, if intake does not fix this, I don't know what's going to happen. So I'm going to show you what I've done so far when I get back and open up the car for you guys. And also, I need to go ahead to IPD, or Classic Volvo Restoration, order intake gasket. Alright guys, so here's what I did. I took everything off. The exhaust manifold just standing there, just how it is. But I ordered new gaskets for the carburetor, And I also ordered this new gasket. So hopefully when everything comes in, I'm gonna be good to go. And I'm hoping it is gonna be the exhaust. It was a vacuum leak. Now, this isn't it. I'm in line a 2-week wait for a mechanic to look at it. Also, I'm gonna have him tune the carbs if I can get this thing running. Okay guys, so we are back and gotta take this exhaust off to get to this exhaust manifold to get to the exhaust gasket and replace it. And I don't know if you could tell that, but I just tightened that down. That's for the oil pressure sensor. Hopefully I didn't make it any worse in any form of way, but I got it tighter, so it'll be good to go there. Go and take a look at the gasket. So here's the new gaskets here, and the old ones, that's what they look like right there. So yeah, let's go get this all replaced now. Okay guys, so for the exhaust and intake manifold gasket, the old one, the original, just looks like made of metal. Here's what the new one looks like. I'm assuming the metal side goes towards the exhaust, but then I'm not 100% sure. It's exactly, I think, the same thickness, so yeah. There you have it guys, it's just snug. Time to bolt down the exhaust manifold. So guys, it's raining. I might not have enough time to get everything done, but so far secured and torqued down everything. Time to install the other gaskets. That's the new gaskets here. Time to put the carburetors on. Well, I'll show what's next. Next is heat plate, but before, I'm gonna take this heat plate actually off guys and make sure every single nut is secure there. There you go guys. Well, I put the plate upside down, so I had to just flip that over. Well, actually, the plate is supposed to go like this instead. So guys, I have attached that back on, but I haven't torqued down that yet because I need to put the other carburetor back on yet. But before that, I need to put the linkage back on as well. So guys, I put the linkage back on, so when you're putting this linkage back on, you got to put it on this carburetor first, not this one, and then kind of slide it in together. So go ahead and torque everything down. I gotta put nuts on here yet. All right guys, so I got her on, all torqued down. Next we're gonna do is click this linkage right over here guys. Let's see here. I'm gonna click it in. Now I'm gonna go grab that pin, but gotta make sure it flows freely, and from to my understanding so far, it flows freely. So now I gotta go grab that pin, the little thing to stick in there, and so it could roll. All right guys, so put everything back together. Throttle is in, fuel line's connected, but this is a little loose. This clamp is actually tight on the nozzle. It's just nozzle in there guys is actually stuck. I don't know if you could tell, but you can see this metal part in there is loose, so hopefully I'm not leaking fuel once it starts. If it does, I'm gonna have to buy and replace it. I may as well just buy 2 new things right here to get it replaced. Probably will end up doing that because they're probably bad. Okay guys, so that's the way she runs. She runs better now, but still I have no idea why it's doing that. So I'm gonna send on a video again. I don't know, I'm probably gonna be just waiting for a mechanic because I'm trying everything, and when I push in the choke it dies. So basically I'm gonna put everything away and wait for a mechanic, but there's one thing I'm gonna do that may be causing all this. I'm not sure. So anyway, this right here is leaking fuel, so I have to buy 2 of these to replace, and I gotta replace them then. Okay guys, so one final thing, I think I fixed it. It's not moving back and forth as much, so I don't think it's going anywhere. So I had to just jam it or bang it in there with this, like so, and I don't think there's any more fuel leak. If anything, I have to buy new float lid assemblies, which are expensive and hard to get. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 Turn right. driving attempt on the 6 Series.